Welcome. I'll be showing you today how you can speed up your internet on your POCO F7. And without wasting your time, let's open up our settings and then navigate to Wi-Fi. Now in here you can see I am connected to my network, and when we see right above we have another option called network acceleration. And in here you can see we have use mobile data to boost speed. So keep in mind when enabling this, it will, by the looks of it, only work with the specified applications right here. But on top of that, it obviously will be using your mobile data. So if you have some kind of limited data plan on your phone, I wouldn't recommend using this option as it will start to possibly eat up into it. And if you have a small one, obviously that would prevent you from being able to use your internet outside of Wi-Fi connection later on. So use that sparingly. I myself have no limit on both the home network nor the Wi-Fi, so this isn't really a problem for me and I can totally utilize that. But if you don't, I recommend using that sparingly in this case. So there we go, that's basically everything. Now, if this video was helpful to you, it would mean a lot to me if you could hit that like, subscribe, but nonetheless, thank you so much for watching and I hope you have a great rest of the day.